Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you images and assets, and I'm going to show you what is network image and asset image. Network image is nothing but the image which we grab from the net, and asset image is nothing but images that we use from our source files in our device from our folders. Okay, next, first let me start with network image. So I'm going to add a property called body. So within that I'm using an image widget. So within this image widget I'm going to add a property called image and add network image widget. So we need to pass the URL of image here. So in the browser type Unsplash to get free images, then select any category from this. So you can add any images, but it should be in JPG format or PNG format. So I'm going to select from nature category and select any image that you want, and I'm going to select this, right click on it and click on copy image address, okay, to get URL of this image. Then go back to our Android Studio and copy it here in the network image. So let me save this. So let me save this. So that's fine. It is so simple to add network image in your app. So let me show you asset image. Right click on my Flutter app and create a new directory and name it as, so I am going to name it as images. Okay, so you can just drag and drop images in this directory, then you can use that images in your code. Okay, so let me drag these images which are in my downloads. I'm going to drag it in images folder which I have created just. So then click on OK. So if I expand it, you can see the images that we have added to the images folder. So these are the three images that we are going to add in our application. First we need to tell to pubspec.ml file that we are going to add these images in our code. So let me open this pubspec.ml file. So in this, check for assets section to add these images. So this is a section, you need to add images in this assets section. So select this assets section, then hit on control and / to uncomment this. Okay, just make this asset to go back one step, and here I am going to add an image 1. So image space 1.jpg, you need to give name exactly as we gave in the images folder, image space 1.jpeg. okay, and both are same. Then I'm going to delete this second one. So click on this yellow color bulb, then hit on pubget. There is no any error, that's fine. Let's save it. Hit on control S, then go to our main dot. Then I'm going to use a property called body, and I'm using a widget called image. In that I'm using a property called image. So here I'm going to add an asset image widget, so to get images from our source files. So asset image So within this we are going to give the path of this image. So let me add images / and image space 1.jpg. Okay, that's fine. Let me save and run this. So that's good, you got image 1 in your application. So if I give 2 here, let me show you. See, you didn't get any image because you didn't add this image in the PubSpec file. So go to the PubSpec file. Let me copy this first and go to the PubSpec file, then add this image below this. So I'm going to add the third image also. So here are 3 images. Now these 3 images have added in PubSpec file. Then you can use these 3 images in our code. See, you got the second image in our code. So similarly for the third image, let me change this to 3 and save and run this. That's it, you got the third image. So this is the way to add images in your application using network image and asset image. So hit on control space in the image widget and you can do experiment on these properties like changing the color of image and height and width of image, like alignment. Do experiment on these properties. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my channel.